sabihin natin sa kanila.
Oy, 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 oy. Magpasikat, magpasikat, dito sa amin lahat tayo ay sikat. Magpasikat, magpasikat, dito sa amin lahat tayo ay sikat. Magpasikat.
Let's give it up for the
Jabberwocky!
Now back to your regular program.
Engage.
Showtime!
Welcome! It's an honor! It's an honor!
And sabihin natin na gusto natin makita ang kanilang mga muka.
Yeah!
Gusto nyo ba makita ang mga muka ng Jabberwockys?
Hello!
Okay!
Woo!
Oh.
Hi! Hello!
Hindi kasi nakabaskara. Parang hindi ata pwede magsalita eh. No? Pwede.
Pwede ba namin? Can you see her?
Do you guys mind taking off your mask?
No. Guys, come on, can you see your face?
Do you guys mind taking off your mask? Are you guys
If they
cool
can,
with it?
Pwede.
Gusto nyo ba makita ang muka ng Jabberwockys? Teka lang, meron sila.
May blocking sila.
May meeting na sila. Pag-uusapan nila kung pwede ba?
At saka, sa kauna-una, pagkakataon lamang yata, makikita ang mukha nila pare-pareho, sabay-sabay.
Ready?
Ito na.
Set! Go!
Jabberwockys!
Dito lang yan!
Alright,
Pwede, sino gusto mag-promote? Halika. Can you understand Tagalog? Halika. Salita ka. Yan. Okay. Alam mo, napakaraming mga taong inspirado sa inyo, no? Ano ang gusto nyo sabihin dun sa mga, what do you want to tell all those who want to be like Jabberwocky someday?
Oh man, we just thank you guys for the love and support, you know what I'm saying? So, thanks for all the love, you know what I mean? And just keep going, and that's what we did. We stuck to our dreams, so hopefully you stick to your dreams. Salamat!
Nakakataba ng puso. Dati, napapanood lang natin sila sa YouTube, sa Amerika. Ngayon, live na live sa Showtime by Jabberwocky. Again, Jabberwocky, thank you. Thank you so much.
You make
Thank you.
all the Filipinos
Thank you.
proud.
Thank you,
Thank you so much. Proud talaga to be a Pinoy. Okay, sir, magbalik ang winning group for the day. Malalaman natin yan sa pabalik ng Your Show.
Your time!
It's Showtime!